Hey everyone, in this quick guide, I'll show you how to animate a still photo in Canva using the 2026 tools. It's super simple, and yeah, by the end, you'll have a smooth motion photo you can use for videos, socials, or whatever you're making. So, first thing, we're going to open Canva and start a blank design. You can pick any size, but I usually go with a landscape layout since it fits animated photos really well. Now, upload your still photo by dragging it in or hitting the upload button on the left. Once it appears, just drop it onto the canvas so it fills the whole thing. Next, we're going to animate the photo. So click the image and you'll see an Animate button pop up at the top, right above the editor. Inside Animate, choose one of Canva's motion presets. For photos, the pan, zoom, or drift animations usually look the smoothest. Just try a few until something feels right. All right, now let's fine-tune it. Canva lets you adjust the speed, the direction, and sometimes the intensity depending on the effect. So just play with the sliders a bit. A slower motion usually looks more natural. You can also animate individual elements if you added text or overlays later, but for a simple moving photo, just keep the motion subtle. When you're happy with the look, we'll export it. Click the Share button in the top right, then choose Download. For animated photos, save it as an MP4 video or a GIF. MP4 usually gives you smoother quality, while GIF is good if you need something lighter. Oh, and a quick tip. If you want a parallax style effect, try cropping your photo into layers and animating each one separately. It takes a little more work, but the result looks really cool. And that's basically it. Animating a still photo in Canva takes like a minute once you know where everything is. If this helped you out, go ahead and like the video and subscribe for more Canva and editing guides. All right, see you in the next one.